Now, 13 CSOs has given a 7-day ultimatum to the state government to ensure safe rescue of 6 civilians who were abducted by Kuki militants from Jiribam, threatening to launch mass resignation of legislators if government fails to act. The 13 CSOs comprising of Akomloop, IPSA, Pandam, KSA, IPAC, Loyaloop, ERDO, Kanglamai, CLK, KIL, Axel, MIKL and SWA have submitted a memorandum with 6 demands to Governor of Manipur today. Speaking to media, UCM General Secretary Shantan Hakpam stated that the mass will protest for the resignation of all legislators regardless of their political parties if they fail to fulfill the demands of the CSOs within a week. He also criticized both central and state BJP members for scouting party members amid the ongoing conflict.
Kuki militants na tawreba aggression si sakana thingbangam dabasi akoi through governor masi akoi question tawjari yamna maruina hosi miyamna wanariba national highway ahum jasami yauna hosi loinamak block torga guha manung na thambai bibam da thamba matamda lengak amadi india government na thabagam ta lokatpangam dabase masi akoi question tawjari tha ani hum irang pharo matungda mamang da tawram da mongda tawnariba attack si kamaina tholibno haibasi question tawjari amadi jiribam da tholiba thodok sigi ngasi maksu facebook ta viral oreiba angang nupi masa dugi Sendal da I taiba karika uraiba se masigi langla langjin si puthokna ba akoi ultimatum matam piraga maduda kaiguma tawroktragadi madugi makha taba agitation akoi tawgani masidagina numit tareni gumba yengminarba matungda memorandum na yauriba demand sing se thabak taw onthorok taba targadi manipur da lairiba national political party mayam se punna coordinate tawraga miyamna khangiba leader sing amadi miyam gi leader ne na lairiba sing se na thabak tawbang ngamdrabnina mass resignation campaign ama sathanaba thorang lei haiba se si miyam da khangan jage aduga miyam na punna support to you.